Everybody, welcome back once again to my news time. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, today the matter when concern hate speech don't come back again. La Mohammed, Webe La Mohammed don't already carry the news again. Go Imo State, where in go one meeting. You understand? Even Okorocha them, all of them participate in the meeting when La Mohammed begin talk again regarding the hate speech. You get. But first of all, make I use this opportunity, tell La Mohammed, anybody when know where La Mohammed day, you understand? Or where in office day. Make una go tell and say, anybody when they fear criticism or when they fear critics not get any business in government. If you dey fear say then go criticize you. If you dey fear say people go talk about you based on the bad things when you dey do to your own people, you not get any business in government. You understand? So una no go fit come out here, come they complain. They tell us say una want do hate speech bill or fake news bill. This matter, I think say we don't, talk the matter before. I think say una don't, desist from the hate speech bill. We not know say una still get the agenda underground. We not know say una still the nonsense say una must to do the hate speech bill. So if you dey fear say then they criticize you in social media or in any news platform, you not get any business in the government. You are not supposed to be in the government to start with. Because a government, when they function, whether good or bad, people have to talk about it. If una they do good thing, we go still come out to speak about the good things when una they do. But if una they do bad thing, the same thing, we go still talk. So there is no way when you go gag up 200 million Nigerian people in the name of hate speech. There is no bill that we will bring out like death penalty because somebody do fake news or because somebody talk about the bad things when you they do in government. Una they fear, una when be APC people. We know say una they fear because una know say una no they do anything for Nigerian people. Una never implement anything, one day any better thing for Nigerian people. Like I said before, now una when they that government, now una don't separate Nigeria. Anything will happen today in Nigeria, let's say for example, Biafran people go, which we know say they must to go. Now una still kosa because una no one listen. Una no one hear the voice of the people. Una no one hear the voice of the masses. Una no one hear, please come do this for us. Give us this thing. So as una no one hear, people must to talk about the bad things when they happen in Jobris regime. People must to talk about the bad things when be the Minister of Information, La Mohammed, we must to talk the bad things when you they do, whether you like them or not. The whole world don't call on these people. Tell them, see, man, this hate speech bill, when una they bring come, it not make any sense. Even to Nigerian politics, because like right now, if you bring out the hate speech bill, then nobody go be opposition political party in that country. Just like the same one I don't do Showore, because we know say, now because Showore na on a strong opposition, na him make una go hola. Now I make on today, una never feel instead of these people to they talk about things when matter in the country. Una won't come out again, they do the same propaganda of the hate speech. So una won't still bring the bill. Ladies and gentlemen, La Mohammed go this place where they call Imo State Owerri. Go tell them say they never back down on hate speech. Say because if they not do the hate speech, if they not implement the fake news bill and hate speech bill, which is say if you do hate speech, then go hang you. If you do fake news, then go hang you. Say if they not implement now, say then when be the government, they no go relax. Say they no go rest. Say because the hate speech and the fake news in social media, say it go hamper the security of the nation. Say the hate speech and fake news go make the nation destabilize. Say it go hamper the unity of Nigerian people. Well, Mr. Mohammed, we say Nigeria not get any unity. With Jubri's government, with APC and PDP, ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria not get any unity in that nation. So make una stop una propaganda. Like I said before, never been anything like unity in Nigeria. Till today. In fact, this regime, this Jubri's regime, when one use fake hate speech bill, kill everybody, ladies and gentlemen, or gag up everybody. In fact, this kind of government is something that everybody have to reject these people. Then they talk the bad things, what they do. They won't bring hate speech come. They won't bring fake bill news come. I mean, hate speech bill and fake news bill not be something when Nigerian people need that moment. Nigerian people, they go through many difficulties. Nigerians, they go through pains. Nigerians, they go through sorrow. Okay, you they talk say the hate speech and the fake news, it go hamper Nigerian security. The security in Nigeria is already hampered long time. Oh, now don't, in fact, tell me now where the security day in Nigeria. Which kind of security will they talk about? You understand? In every aspect of life, ladies and gentlemen, in every aspect of governance, APC, Jubri, Buhari, they don't fail. Nowhere when they try one day. None. So, ladies and gentlemen, if somebody like La Mohammed, when no say him na corrupt politician, you understand? Him no saying corrupt, then they talk about 2.5 billion when this man carry. Court don't invite this man many times. You know they agree go. You know they agree attend. You understand? Anytime when they need this man in court, then go say travel. So this man are corrupt politicians. Corrupt politician full time. That is why you see them they fear because they don't want make people they call their name either in social media or in any news platform. That is why you see today. Now only La Mohammed, every time when they want to talk the matter, only La Mohammed now they push. In fact, the National House of Assembly and the House of Representatives, the senators, all of them don't talk say this bill it not make any sense. The whole Nigerian people don't talk say this bill it not make any sense. But because of this man corruption, that is why you see the man he no one relents. He still they come out, they tell the world say, oh, if they not cope this hate speech, no problem. Say it go hamper the security, it go hamper the unity. Tell me where unity of Nigeria dey when una carry somebody like Omoyele Sowore will not do anything. Anything today when happen in Nigeria, any bad thing today when happen in Nigeria, now this APC and PDP be the cause. You understand? Okay. Now, Okorocha, I just want to tell on waiting they happen now. They say then give them like people now when be the minister, the governors, the this and that. But all of them they do the same job. Even the job when Buhari supposed to do by himself or Jubri supposed to do by himself. Now all these people, now them be the mercenaries when the Northerners appoint to they do propaganda for them, to they speak for Buhari, whereas then they claim say Buhari they are alive. The same job when Buhari supposed to do, now, La Mohammed go come out. He go do it. Femi Adesina go come out. The same job, this guy, what him be name? Okorocha, the same. Oshomole, the same. Bola Tinubu Jagaban, the same. Then, Arofai go come out the same thing. The other man, what they call the advisor to Mr. President, the impostor, when be Garbashew, the same job when Buhari himself supposed to. Now him, all of them they do. You understand? In the northerners just take these people, scatter everywhere, every corner of the country, just bring them come out when they go stand as a full-time missionary. Whereas now them, these people themselves, now them be the fake news people. Then go they jump, say, oh, now we be the leaders now. So if anything happen, then no go nothing, nobody go kill us. But these people, when we say them be normal people, when they Nigeria, anything when they talk, if they talk, anything when they talk now fake news. Because our people they say if they talk true, if they tell people truth, it they hurt them for ear. So the true when they I mean the straightforwardness, the truthful things when they talk in our platform, you understand, in our various platforms, ladies and gentlemen, it they hurt the government for ear. Because they don't want here, where they publish them, they tell them say them corrupt. Or where they tell them say that them they sponsor Boko Haram. Or where they tell them say that them be the herdsmen. Of course, now them be all these things, ladies and gentlemen. So we will not relent to the talk about this matter regarding this fake news bill. La Muhammad now don't come out again. We will continue to defend ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. Because if these people implement this bill, Nigeria is done. Everybody in Nigeria is done. Whether you be Christian or you be anything when you be, you be Yoruba, you be Hausa, or you be Igbo. So far you're not there into government, you are done. Whether you be journalist, you be newscaster, you be anything where you be, you are done once these people publish this bill. But this, if they publish and ladies and if they implement and ladies and gentlemen, it no go affect people like Channel Television because Channel Television are their machinery. It no go affect them. Because you see the way when Channel Television that they pamper the whole thing, when the whole evil things when this government or be this regime of Jubri they do. All of them, they do one job. The job when Buhari, okay, tell me how many times, because somebody like Donald Trump, make I give another example. If then they accuse the man for something, the man have to come out and speak for himself. The whole world is here. Anyhow, whether good or bad, the man must to come out. Why it can't be say, anytime when they accuse these people, they tell them, say, see what you wanna do, see what you wanna they do. Then, you go see, one of them from South or from Southeast will just come out. When Buhari, Abi Jubri, or now president when they supposed to come and can't debunk or accept or agree or reject waiting with the talk. But then go bring somebody else come. Someone else go come speak for them. Now that is why they talk say the man when they there not be Buhari. Because we never see Buhari in national television. They talk. We never see these people. So, and another thing when I want to point out, make una go see this man, what do they call Buhari, they are Buhari. He get one occasion, the man go inaugurate police vehicles. Get where I see the video, ladies and gentlemen. Make una go look whether this man, this same man, una go make try to look this man neck. The neck, the face. That is why they talk, say, the man when being posted there, not be only one person. Then go there like 2 or 3, ladies and gentlemen. This man fresh. I can't they wonder. Somebody like Bola Tinubu, the Buhari when they claim seniora. Why Bola Tinubu come old? And upon say Bola Tinubu na billionaire. Why come be say Bola Tinubu come old past this man? Look at Atiku Abubakar, the man senior Atiku Abubakar. Why come be say the man when they show us say na him be the man when be the president? Come young past Atiku Abubakar. And he senior these people with many years. Look at this man Saraki. I come be say the man come young past Saraki. Look, everybody when they the man cabinet, including Oshomole, Ose Banjo, all these people, Okorocha, the man, all these people old past the man when they tell us say now 76 years old. So, ladies and gentlemen, all these things when they happen, we got to make sure, say, we find out, even before this year 2023, a lot they go on, ladies and gentlemen, underground. Okay, recently they open border. This man now, when be the La Muhammad, they talk about, say, because they don't already get videos where they see where people they march enter Nigeria recently. So, with leg, ladies and gentlemen. So, this kind of thing when concern Nigerian people, they know they talk about them. Now, how to kill Nigerian people, now they talk about. How to make bill to they kill people. So, that is why una see say we not dey support people like this. Anybody when they support this kind of people, na all of them na APC. If you dey support them, you be APC member. Nobody, because a lot of problem dey for ground when they suppose resolve. A lot of problem dey when they suppose solve, but they no go come out come talk am. Na bad thing, na him then they want to do. But things when they suppose put in place. Okay, look at the herdsmen problem everywhere. None of them they address am. Look at Boko Haram everywhere. They not they address am. Look at the issue of Showore. They not they address am. Look at hunger when they land. Nothing. The issue of electricity, the issue of the road, the issue of water, the issue of healthcare. Nothing. They not they address them. The only thing when they address now to kill, how to bring out a bill when go kill Nigerian people, when they go take to the kill innocent Nigerian people because you talk the bad things whether they do, or because you come out in social media. Because a time will come, then go even say if you just surface in social media, they go kill you. They go just put the bill. So all these things are things when we know we must to make sure say it not come to pass. And this is the reason why when they call Buhari government a regime. Again, this is another reason why Punch newspaper they call the government regime, and the reason why they call the man dictator or major general. This is the reason, because you cannot just sit down on your comfort zone. You want to kill innocent Nigerian people when we have a lot of problem already. And just because say we they tell them the truth, because the truth when they tell them, it hurt their ear. So ladies and gentlemen, I say, if you know say you not like criticism, you don't have any business in the government. If you know say people no go talk about you, you sit down at home. So La Mohammed, you are supposed to resign and sit down at home because you don't want people to talk about you. You don't want people to talk about the evil things what they do. So you not get any place in government. You not get any business in the government. Ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when I get for now to do, because when I see La Mohammed, I can say, show this thing see this man see they talk about this thing. Even the Sabi, when we say get one man, they call Sabi, all of them gag up together do this thing what they do. This bill try to gag the whole 200 million Nigerian people. The man self not they come out. Now La Mohammed now they don't push come out. They not time as when bring out the thing, all of them don't put their head inside because now so they walk. When they don't plan her, they will just pick somebody from the east or from the west or from the south. Come they represent them. Now so that they do. So ladies and gentlemen, we no go accept this kind of people in the government. We no go accept this kind of impunity in the government. We no go accept this kind of bill in our land. You understand? So if you know, make we just stop the matter here, ladies and gentlemen. If you know, say you never subscribe to Funky D1, make sure say you begin subscribe. And if you know, say you never share my video, share this video, make it reach Mr. Lai Mohammed. You understand? So we better watch out. We go to monitor these people 247. We are not relenting. So one love, everybody. I'll see you next time. Funky D.